Singapore just hit 6.11 million people, but behind that headline lies a story that could reshape our entire property market. Fewer births, more singles, and aging population. Yet, our population keeps growing. From where? Mainly from non residents and foreign talent fueling the economy. Here's what that means for property. Number one, rental demand stays strong, more workers, more expats, more tenants. Two, resale demand remains stable, PRs and new citizens keeping the market active. Three, smaller homes rising in demand, fewer kids, more three-room flats, one-bedroom condos. Lastly, aging drives right-sizing seniors cashing out, downsizing, and adding more resale supply. The short story, our market is evolving, not collapsing, but if you're buying, investing, or upgrading, your strategy needs to evolve with it. DM me to discuss more.